Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about decision making in Python. Decision making is very important. For example, if you take any of the programming inside that programming language or inside that programs or software, there are lots of conditional statements because this is the basement of computer programming. If you understand this one, you will be amazed because you can develop some cool applications, because decision making is a great way to instruct your program to take some decision based on some input or based on some conditional. So basically what we're going to learn in this video, we're going to learn if and else statement. So if you are familiar with this, you can easily understand. If you don't familiar with this, stay tuned. So I'm going to get a name name from user, because we have learned how to get user input. So I'm going to say enter your name. Okay, so I'm gonna say what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna write a simple program. If the name is equal to, if this name is equal to GL, it will print out this is GL. Otherwise, it will print out this is not GL. Okay, so I'm gonna type if name is equal to. We learned the equal sign, so this is equal to. Okay, equal to GL. Then it will print. Okay, this is GL. Okay, otherwise it won't print anything. So if I execute this program, it is going to ask me to enter some name. If I enter different characters, it's never going to work anything. But if I enter GL, it will print this is GL. What will happen when this program is running? First of all, the user is entering the value. That value is going to store inside this variable. Okay, then we check if this variable, in this variable the GL would be here, the user input will be here. Okay, the user input will be here. The user is entering GL. Okay, just think the user is entering GL. The GL value will be stored here. Then we are checking the name. The GL is equal to GL. Then it will run. Otherwise, it won't run. So if I run it again, if I enter a different value, it won't work. But if I enter GL, it will print that is go. But make sure to enter in capital because it is case sensitive, because it is very important. Okay. Then if the user enters different value, you can use else. Okay, else is used to take actions. If this condition does not meet, then this block will be executed automatically. Okay, so this is not GL. So what will happen now? If I enter different values, and it is going to say it is not GL, but if I enter GL, it says it is GL. So basically, I think now you can understand. So when you log into your social media account, what will happen? It will take your password and username and check with the password which is stored in the database. So if those two password and usernames are successful, then you can log in. Otherwise, you cannot log in. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to create a authentication, how to create a password authentication program. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.